Hey there, today I'll tell you how to fix Pubg audio problem on iOS. It's very easy to do. For this, first open Pubg mobile and go to settings, then go to audio. Make sure the master microphone and speaker volume are turned off. Also check if push to talk is enabled. Sometimes a simple restart can fix audio issues. Close Pubg completely, then restart your iPhone and relaunch the game to see if the problem is resolved. Then ensure your iPhone is not on silent mode by flipping the ringer switch to the on position. Also increase the volume using the side buttons and test if the other apps have sound. Go to settings, privacy and security, then microphone, and make sure Pubg Mobile has permission to use your mic. If it's disabled, toggle it on. If you are using a Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them to see if the issue is with the device. Go to settings, Bluetooth, and turn it off. Then test Pubg's audio again. Make sure both Pubg Mobile and your iPhone are up to date. Go to App Store to check for game updates and go to Settings, General, Software Update to install the latest iOS version. If all else fail, then try uninstalling and reinstalling Pubg Mobile. Delete the app, restart your device, and download the latest version from the App Store. This can help fix corrupted files. And that's it. That's how you can fix Pubg audio problem on iOS.